I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Mobile. To begin your adventure, first download the Roblox app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, you'll need to create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. Make sure your mobile device has at least 150 megabytes of free storage and a stable internet connection for the best experience. Once you're logged in, navigating the Roblox app is straightforward. The home screen showcases a vast array of popular games and experiences, updated frequently. You can easily find specific games or connect with friends using the search bar at the top. Don't forget to personalize your avatar with countless items and manage your inventory directly from the avatar editor, making your character truly unique. Now for the fun part, playing games and socializing. Simply select any game that catches your eye and join a server to dive right in. You can interact with millions of other players using the in-game chat feature, sharing strategies, or just making new friends. To further enhance your social experience, add friends directly and join various groups to connect with like-minded individuals and explore new communities. To ensure you have the best possible Roblox mobile experience, consider a few key tips. If you notice any lag, try adjusting the graphics settings within the game to a lower quality for smoother gameplay. For younger players, utilizing the robust parental controls can create a safer and more managed environment. Finally, always keep your Roblox app updated to access the newest features, bug fixes, and security enhancements, ensuring optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.